This is a lot of Nigeria complete sheets overprinted in for Biafra. It's a very unusual material, and what is more unusual is the quantity, the profusion of sheets. More than 50 of this value and 35 a bit more sheets of this, of the 5 shillings giraffe. Well, as you can see, these sheets are not perfect in condition because they were not posted in a very careful way. All of them have a protective sleeve. It's not glued on reverse, but you can gently peel this, as you can see. Carefully, you will remove this. It's a protective sheet, and gum on reverse. You can see it's not affected. Let's see if I can remove the complete. You see that it gently I can do the job. This is the protective sleeve, and this is how gum. Well, this issue is very interesting because of the overprint that was not applied in a very careful way, so lots of variations can be found. Needless to say, the high value of this, and first of all, I want you to understand the condition of them. Some, as you see, well, with the protecting sleeve, and others with tiny spots may be found. Some with very important spotting, like this. Not much, not many shades, but some may be found that way. Some fragments, wrinkles, surface details like this found here, or ink writings, but a lot can be found perfect. Then you have this, that are the 35. I think they are better preserved at the blue sheets than this. This have some scotch tapes and stuck between. You can find them. Some with important spotting, but some very good. As you can understand, it's not common to be found. You will have an excellent material here.